Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can rescue the missing crew in Windrose. Like if you're facing the issues while killing those sabers, don't worry, I got you covered. So first of all, before you get into fight, I would recommend you to prepare yourself. Prepare by mean get yourself a weaponsmith workshop. Once you have this, I would recommend you to craft yourself a saber or best weapon, which you can just upgrade it to level 4 or level 5 at least. It will cost you iron ingots along with rough hide. Now once you're prepared, just get into the location, and right here we're gonna set up a tent so that whenever we get killed we'll able to respawn just right here. So for that, just get into build mode, and here we're gonna craft a tent. So it is right here. So just put a tent, and by using the E key we're gonna set up a revival point. Once we set that, just get into fight now. So right here what we're gonna do, we're just gonna attract only one saber so that we'll able to kill him easily. So just get back, gain your stamina. Once your stamina is full, just start attacking him, and just like that you'll able to kill them easily. Now it's time for this one. Okay, as you can see, it is so easier now. Get back again, we'll gain the stamina. Okay, we can just attack him now. So yeah, that's it, we have successfully killed all of them. Now you can just go to the location, and right here you can basically loot. Just open the chest, loot all the items, and to finish the mission we need to talk to captured seller. Once you finish talking, you will see that the mission is successfully completed. Now right here you'll able to loot like gunpowder and all that jazz. But yeah, that's it. This is exactly how you'll able to rescue the missing crew in Windrose. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.